welcome to Light of Aurora. I am Aurora. Today we're going to be doing some ombre nails. These are the tips that I will be using for my ombre nails. I don't have those nail stand thingies, so I'll be using my pins with some press stick. If you don't know what my channel is about, I do nails as a beginner from the beginning. If you're interested in what I do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. So, I just placed the nail on my pin top, and this is my first step. I will be applying my blue to one side and my purple to the other. Turns out there's different ways to do the ombre, is where it's horizontal and vertical. I like this way because it looked pretty. I do apologize for the light. I'm still learning. This is a learning process and I am still learning. So thank you for understanding and sticking around. I'm using my thin brush to mash the two colors together so it blends in evenly and looks pretty. So it makes an ombre with my thin brush. And yes, my purple does look a little pinkish. Here you can see it a little better. And this is what I will be doing on all my nails. I will be showing it again just to make sure you understand or that you saw it properly. See, this is my pointer finger, and like I said, I already did my ombre like I did with my thumb on all of them. It's exactly the same. So with this one I will be applying another coat of gel polish, but this time I will be applying the blue on the purple, and I will be applying the purple on the blue on the other side. And I won't cover the whole nail, I'm just gonna do the tip to make it a French tip. And I always use every time I use my thin brush to mix the two colors together. This is the two colors, there we go. Now I'm gonna use my other brush to make the shape of what's the French tip? Oh, and this is what it looks like. And then you cue next finger. So I will be showing it again, like I said, how to do the base ombre that I will be using on all my other nails. This is my middle finger. Apply your one color you want on the one side, and make sure it is fully colored and straight down the middle. Then you apply your second color that you would like to use on the other side. Coloring your nail properly. Then you just ombre it. This time I just wiggle the brush around, but it still has the same effect. And just slightly just move it down the middle. Brush everything together down the middle. and that's it, and then you cure. This is how you do your art. Again, I will be putting the purple on the blue and the blue on the purple, so I'm just switching it around, doing the opposite colors. And yes, I have a thick layer so you don't see the color beneath it. Now your blue. Oh, do be careful not to let your tip of your one color touch the other, because it does mix. Don't be like me. Be smarter. Anyway, mix the two colors. This time I'll be using my white brush. It's actually for my poly gel, and just swoosh it over, making different lines. So you can see the bottom layer. There we go. I'm just double checking every time I move camera if I made the lines good enough. Make as many lines as you want. You can clearly see I'm going nuts with it. And this is the end result. Time to cure. Next nail. Again, I will be applying the blue on the purple and the purple on the blue. Just make sure you cover the purple. Here we go. And the blue on the purple. Oh wait, the purple on the blue. Make sure it is covered. So this one I actually wanted to make a heart. I actually wanted to make a heart. Okay, so like always, and every time you do the ombre with the middle splitting, you brush it together to make it pretty. Here we begin the heart. Can see the confusion. Okay. And yes, I do know you're not supposed to apply the gel or whatever on your skin, because you could get a reaction, but I'm lazy and I didn't want to pack out or get my little swabs. And this was like easier. if you look closely, these are a split heart. The background is blue and purple, and the top part is purple and blue. And yes, I did notice that the colors I chose were, how do you say, not good enough. You can't actually see what I'm doing, but I will be doing all these arts that I'm doing here today. I will be doing it again in my next videos to make sure you actually see it, and I will be using better colors so you can see it. This is my pinky that I'm doing next. This one is exactly like I did with my pointer finger. Again, put the opposite color on the opposite color. So purple on blue and blue on purple. It does look pink. Yes. Like I said, I will be doing all this art that I'm doing now. I will be doing it again in my next videos, future videos. I won't be doing it all at once. I will be doing like one at a time, like one in this art, in this video, and the next one in another video. So stay tuned if you still want to see how it's done, or if you can't see it properly in this video, please watch my other videos, my future videos. Thank you. Okay, so the pointer finger nail, I went sideways down, skew down, and this I'm just going straight over, across. I like how you can see the colors behind with my eyes. I can actually see the colors better than what it looks like on the video. And I just wanted the two colors. I never use the two colors together. Or did I? I'm not sure. Here we go. I need to get something to wipe off this gel faster. Anyway, these are what I'm left with. This is what I'm left with, one of these. Here we go. These are my nails. It has like a unicorn type feel to it. And I will remember it for future. Yeah, you can see it a little better. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye, enjoy your day.